So, 13th of June. Seeing as I've been so bold, or is it foolhardy, to call no more frosts, I thought it might as well be time to plant my yellow bush beans. Was it the last couple of years I've been growing yellow bush beans? I've never had them before really, I never really liked the look of them, but cool, how delicious are they? And really easy to grow as well. So I've got I've got 8 of them here, and they are the type yellow custard, which I've been growing for the last couple of years. Really nice, really good doers. So I thought I might as well plant them up. Now I'm going to plant them in this bed that I've got to the side there. I've got my runner beans going up the trellis there. I've still got strawberries in this bed. I was supposed to be building a one of those strawberry pyramids, but I haven't got round to it yet, so these strawberries are still in here, but I'm sure I'll be able to fit these bush beans in. So that's pretty easy. I'm just going to put them about a foot apart and a foot between rows as well, and see if hopefully I'll have enough room for them. So let's dive in. He's in here somewhere. Dear, made a mess of this. Right, let's get him in. And I thought I'd plant them tonight as well because it's just starting to rain. I think we're going to have a day's worth of rain. So I always think it's a good time to plant your whatever you're planting just before it's about to rain. Well, unless it's a cactus, of course. Gives it a chance to settle in, and you haven't got to worry about watering it. This bed's had lots of compost the last couple of years, and this year it had a really good layer of compost and well rotted manure, so there's lots of fuel in there for the beans to work off, and that also provides a good bit of drainage. So I'm looking forward to a good harvest this year. And they've really not been, it's just one of those easy to grow plants, I feel. Well, so far in my 2 years experience. But they're just like, you know, just like the other beans, like runner beans. You plant them in. I could even plant some seeds now. And I've made the mistake of not putting my anti-blackfly hat on. Vanity, eh? And where was I? Yeah, you could even plant some seeds now and they'd be shooting up before you know it. I'll probably plant some seeds in another bed actually. Get some succession planting going. Right, where am I? So, I should easily have enough room in this bed. Plant them there. A couple of them have got a bit yellow tips on the tips of the leaves, where I think I put them out a bit early, gave them a bit of a shock. There we go. Got any left? One left. Let's just fit that in there. Right, let's give these a water. So I should be able to leave these to get on with it now. I think I've broken that one. And in another month to 6 weeks, I reckon I won't be able to keep up. Usually I can't normally keep up with the amount of beans they throw out. So I have to give them away, which is no problem. While I'm here, again, since I've been in Canada, I've not been able to find one of these types of this Dutch hoe, and I think it's much better than the ordinary reversed type hoe. So here we go, another demonstration, the way that I can just cut through the weeds that are there, much easier than the other type hoe. What a good piece of kit. So there we go, easy as that. So that's my green runner beans in now, yellow beans, got onions growing nicely. Don't know if you can see here, these peas are now starting to shoot up now, so I'm pleased with them. Job's a good one.